Most payroll penalties don't start with big fraud. They start with one tiny oops that gets corrected the wrong way. In 2026, duplicates and mismatches across 1099s, W-2s, and Form 941s can spiral into IRS letters, interest, and hours of back and forth you didn't budget for. And the worst part? People usually mess up the fix, not the original form. That's why Vicki M. Lambert, CPP, President and Academic Director of the Payroll Advisor Trademark, is hosting a 60-minute live webinar on Thursday, January 29, 2026 at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to show the safe correction path. What to file, what order to do it in, and what proof to keep without the overwhelm. Register via Eventbrite using the link in the description. Prefer to register by phone? Call +17 0788 31. Prefer to register by phone?